So I know you're very tired of receiving copyright claims and copyright strikes right from your channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get copyright-free music and sound effects, how to deal with copyright claims with disputes. So the first one, let's go to your YouTube studio. Maybe you could go to your laptop, or if you're in phone, just activate the desktop mode and search for this studio.youtube.com. And after you go at this section, you just a little bit scroll here and find the audio library. When we click that once, you can see that there's the magics going on here. Those free music right here is free and copyright free when you use it on your videos, guaranteed, I bet you. And this section is about the sound effects. You could search what are the name, what are the track title, category, or duration, and these are my favorites. The starred one, because I put this little star right there, and same as the free music. You could search for its genre, mood, artist name, whatever, soever, blah blah blah. And also, when you want to deal with copyright claims, such as what I said about disputes, is first of all, find your copyright claim video. Then you could see there's details. Your video is ineligible, especially for monetized channel. This is a very bad idea. So click the see details. Then after that, you could select action, then dispute. Then just check that. Then here you could see that there's a lot of options, but mine, I am very confident that this is a fair use channel. So I click that option and check I believe, and that's it. What kind of niche is your video? Mine is educational video. Then you just want to copy paste this, and I'm gonna put it in my description so you could use it in your disputes, but this is designated for fair use videos. Now paste this, check mark this tree, then click your name, put your name, I'm sorry, then full name, legal name. This is just an example. Then it's just gonna load, then the dispute is submitted. So this is an escrow for monetization for monetized channel, and you're just gonna wait for many days until this dispute has been reviewed by the owner. So I hope this video helps you. Click the subscribe button if you want to be updated in more types of these videos. And this video, I am very confident it will help you for your YouTube journey. So click it now, and goodbye.